Want fresh basil, mint, and parsley right in your kitchen year-round? Growing herbs indoors is easier than you think, and you don't need a green thumb to succeed. In just a few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to set up your first indoor herb garden. Step 1. Choose your container and drainage. You'll need a pot that's at least 6 inches deep with drainage holes in the bottom. This prevents root rot. Use terracotta or plastic pots. Terracotta breathes better but dries faster. 1 pot per herb variety works best, so you can control watering individually. Step 2. Fill with quality potting mix. Use indoor potting mix, not garden soil. It's lighter and drains better. Fill your pot about 3/4 full, leaving room for the plant and water. Pat the soil gently to remove air pockets, but don't compress it too tightly. Step 3. Plant your herbs, either from seeds or seedlings. Seedlings are faster for beginners. They'll be ready to harvest in 3 to 4 weeks. Plant at the same depth they were growing before. Water gently and place in a warm spot. Seeds take 2 to 3 weeks to germinate but are more economical. Step 4. Position in bright light. Herbs need 6 to 8 hours of light daily. A south-facing windowsill is ideal, but a grow light 6 inches above the plants works too. If using a windowsill, rotate your pots every few days so all sides get equal light and plants grow evenly. Step 5. Water consistently and maintain humidity. Check soil moisture by touching the top inch. Water when it feels dry. Most herbs prefer slightly moist soil but hate soggy roots. Water about 2 to 3 times per week, but always check first. Keep indoor temperature between 60 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit for best growth. Pro tip: don't overwater. This is the #1 killer of indoor herbs. Let the top of the soil dry out slightly between waterings. If leaves turn yellow or smell musty, you're watering too much. Use room temperature water and water at the soil level, not the leaves. You're ready to grow fresh herbs at home. Learn more tips and techniques at Sikho.ai.